Good morning, everyone. This is Joseph with Slick Trade. We have on the line in Crystal, Chris, Bill Mara. Hayden is on the way to the office. Also, we are just joined by Rob and Bea. And Rasmus can hear me now. I'm still recording this, Rasmus. This is maybe useful, okay, for folks out there. And let's see who's on the line also. We have AC, Edwin R, J Mayfield, Rasmus Christensen out in Denmark. Beautiful country. Love it. Sylvan, the Tycoon, Vicky Wilson. Okay. So we were talking about the pound dollar, and Rasmus commented that he may see a reversal. So what I did is I started to break it down. As you can see, the coffee is taking effect because I have become very, very talkative and even recorded. Welcome to the Slick Trade Radio Show, hosted today.
You just said it 6.
All right, Chris, and you interrupt me if there's something really worthwhile out there, or just post calls, just stop me. But I'm going to do this little analysis here. Okay.
Hey, Rasmus can hear you now. He said it's 6.
Let's see. Okay. So the comment was that the pound dollar may be reversing a bit. I'm looking at 15-minute candles, and I can see that the price has gone up. Okay, but the candles are getting smaller and smaller. The price is above the Kellner. Parabolic ASR still pointing up. Then I look at the stochastic RSI, and they have crossed, start pointing down a bit. The Fisher transform, which is a trend reversal indicator, lagging, not leading, is on the upper part, but it has not crossed over or crossed back like you have in this area. Okay, so there's still room for it to move. Also, that indicates momentum. We see the green bars going up. If we look at another situation that the price comes down, you can see the green bars going up. That means momentum up. Yellow down means losing momentum. And then as it travels into a red, the price goes into the negative, and this will confirm that the price is going down. Then it loses momentum, and it may go up or may not, but that's it. But here, red, yellow, green. So we're waiting for that roller coaster effect. So as you can see, the candles are getting smaller. So what I will do is I will go into my indicator for volume of the actual pound. See, the tremendous volume here is what drove the price higher. But now the price was, the volume was 36.76. Now we have only 128. So that's a huge difference. There's no volume. There's nothing that it will move this up or down, most likely because of the news. Same thing with the volume for the dollar. There's no volume. Okay. So if anything moves, it's, I don't know, pending orders, small stuff, nothing major. So what we're looking here is for something to show us that this is turning around. One thing you can look at, the closer look, is bring it down to a 5-minute. Okay, and like I said, there's no volume. And you got 1, 2, 3, 4 dojis, these candles, no volume, nothing. Okay, this has some promise, but unless it becomes something like this candle with a big red arrow coming down, even though the big arrow is here already, there's nothing out there. I put a line at 1.4889 as a guide. Okay, so what we're looking for is something like this situation where the price goes up, smaller candle, red candle, continued. There's an indication that's a fakie. Thought you were going down. No, we're not. I'm gonna kick you out from your stop losses. Give me some money. Give me your money. And then they show the real hand, and the price goes down, and you're, oh my God, I should have waited. And that's life. So you have to, play their 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 deal. This is their business, not ours. So you have to go when things move, and there's your volume, okay? And there's your volume, okay? So that was a fake, and I had to be careful for that. See, fake. The real players came in later, and they dropped the price. And these are the 5-minute candles. So that's what we're looking for, up and down. Let's look at the momentum. Okay, momentum green, momentum yellow, going to the negative. That's proof right there. And let's look at the trend reversal. It was from a low, not all the way, but it was low. Plays around. Good indication that this was not real. Then when it crosses, and it crosses the 80 level, it goes pointing down. Then you have the real movement. And last but not least, the stochastic RSI on top, strong. That's where you have this. But then it loses momentum. What happens? It starts crossing and goes down. You have to look at the whole picture. You can't just go by any one indicator. And those are lagging indicators, but there's other.
Lost. There you are.
Chris, is something going on?
Well, I lost you for a brief second, so.
Okay. So that's what we're looking for, that roller coaster effect. And that's at the 5-minute. So at least myself, I like to see this movement at the 5-minute to give me an indication things are going to move down and reverse. Then I will look at a 10-minute. That looks good. I have this indicator, the TTM scalper alert, standard TOS, giving me an indication it may go down. A doji, red candle, but I'm missing another candle. So if everything lines up, you may have a reversal down. True confirmation, at least for me, is having at the 15-minute, having an arrow pointing down, actually two, and the sign turning into Fushan going down. So that's the analysis for GBPUSD. You know me. And that's it. So unless something else happens, I'm going to stop this session, and we may or may not restart it. Okay. So hopefully this has helped Rasmus and everybody else on the call. Thank you.